I will check this here from mobile. This cover not. Oh, a lot of. Oh yeah, a lot of iPhones. Oh yes, this one a lot of iPhone. This one. Oh yes, I destroyed phone. This is phone. Oh no. Oh yeah, some phone available here. No. Here's a damaged phone. This one damaged phone. Oh no. Oh yes, I saw this one. Another phone. This one, another phone. This one. Oh no, like just one phone. This is iPhone. Some one phone. One this way only restoring this. On this hand, check here. Also one another charger. And it was charged. And it's on the charge. And we check here. See this battery is charged. This is a cool handle. But I will check here. I will check this on another phone. Oh no. This is one great iPhones. A lot of iPhones. A lot of iPhones here. And that's one. A lot of iPhones. I'll just check here. That's one. This is another phone. I have a big one phone, a destroyed phone. This one is destroyed phone here. Oh no, destroyed phone here. I will check and I will do this one. I will check here. This is our bond the shoulder. And get the bone. This one too. Hang in the bag. I will put here. So no, I will check this one. So we will go inside. I will destroy this one and go to the shop and check this destroyed phone. Some lot of phones. This one, this is right. I will check here. Some nothing everything. All here and this one phone here. I will pack it. I will go. I'm gonna go back here. That's it go. I will check. I will destroy the phone. Out here, check this destroyed phone. I'm checking here. This one, big smartphone. This one is iPhone. iPhone here. This one is long phone. This one is phone. This is our latest iPhone. This one must be another phone. Another phone. What's this? Check here, destroyed phone. XC. Yes, S8. We will check here. Check this. This one some is dirty. I just open here. This is damaged phone. Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. We will open here. This is not in screws. So open this one. So we'll check here. Oh no, this is not have a battery. This one was clear check well. This is no battery. I will check this. Wait a minute. I will check the acid plus battery. And this one I will check here the battery and our lab. Our batteries. I will check the battery. Acid plus. This one, this is not S1 plus, it's a plus. Let's check it. Oh yes, this I have a battery. I have a battery from this phone. I will check here. I have a battery. I will check this phone. Storation. First I have this on the check. Wash. I will wash the phone. Completely wash. Wash here. This is a wash. Wash this man. Wash the phone. Wash here. This one wash here. Wash it. And we will check restore the battery. Check the battery. And first I will check this one with the charge. I will check this. This is connect to the charging cable. I connect here and checking this. I'm right here. I will connect the charge from this phone So destroyed phone. I will charge the phone. This charging cable. Connect the charge cable. Connect the charging cable. Just one phone. Oh yes, this is a charge here. This is charging. Oh no, this is, oh yes, this is a problem from this. But wait, I have this one. I will connect this, connect the NFC, and this is a charging problem. But I will disconnect this here, battery, and connect again, and put the NFC and connect the charging cable. I will charge here. Oh yes, this one is charging here. This is charging. Oh yes, great. This won't work. Oh no, I will power on this phone. Powering on, great. This is working here. I will wash the liquid. Check this one. First I will check here. Oh yes, this have a password. This is working well. So working well. This